Okay guys, Daniel here again. I'll show you the passenger side just to give you a bit of a guide through that side, just in case you're not sure. If you've got any questions, just send me a message. Sorry mate. I'm new to this, new to trying to do YouTube, so give me a break. It's new for me to doing this. But it's the same thing as the other side. I'll just start off by hand, get it to a point where it gets hand tight. Same thing again. Just now it's getting tight. I'll just keep going until I find if who's doing this, sure, find the torque spec, get a 3/8, or if you haven't got 3/8, 1/2 inch, and reduce it down to a 3/8. Socket to be able to get the correct torque spec, because you don't want to over torque it and then cause damage. That's the last thing you want to do. I'll just have a little experience at able to doing this by now that I know when to kind of stop. But like I said, each to their own. And the people that don't agree with how I do it, that's fine. That's how we all learn, and that's the point of being on YouTube, and people do things different ways. So you can't pull out all at one, so I just took the socket off, then you take the socket out, then you take the rest of the actual head out, click, that's it. Torch out, don't leave that in there. For now the washer bottle can go. Now the washer bottle will go back to where it was living. Just to make it will probably get moved eventually. As is, like I said, this is going to be just a track only car. But for now, until I get the servicing side of things done and a few repairs done to it, I'm not really fussed. Alright, next video will be of me starting the car and seeing how it runs.